Ngibingelele babukeli emakhaya igama lami ngimuzi wakhe eBibo le ihlelo lelisha sha i-podcast lesha sha igama layo MBSDH ya ikhona la bafowethu Pinari nemaphethelo la bafowethu ngiphethe bhutlomkhulu la uzosichazela ukuthi igama lakhe ungubani awakabani usukaphi anenzawo mnakethu
mina kayi
Bhuti
vukile mnakethu
ngivukele Bhuti
ngiyaphila ngijabule kakhulu thanks for this opportunity oqala vele yeah ithuba lethu lethi vele sikhona la MBSDH oqala yebo indawo yethu it's a Christianity hub guys this place is a holy place even if you were living a different lifestyle mafika lana vele the first thing oqala is to get a deliverance to be vele and then iphuma kuwe vele inside deep inside yonke into ikhona ama basics bayakufundisa vele ukuthi noma ungakholi umdali uNkulunkulu ngongamthembi mara bazokutshela bazokufundisa yonke indlela
uma ukhuluma sobhuti kuba kufikele ngilengoma le ukuthi ithi ayiqale kimi indumiso ayiqale kimi indumiso
iyakhuluma
so if wena understand le nto kusho kahle kahle
weba so nami vele before I came lucky enough vele ngabangani khona la vele dala balavele bafike vele abanye bafike the first my best friend vele khona wamathi vele is an IT guy you know vele yena since 2021 wafika 2021 so that guy he used to update me he kept on updating me everything that is going on here MBSDH vele it means I was updated I was up to date
ngiyathola
ngekho around this space
so awungitshele Bhuti manje ukuthi sele nibabukela kuyo ke i-podcast yethu lesha sha ngabe mfowethu ngisiphi isimo lobukele naso emtimbeni mfowethu
okay yakuva mna niyazi nani bafowethu ekhaya nami ngisabingelela futhi vele isimo sami vele ngadalwa vele the way ungibona lakhona noma you don't get it ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani vele to cut long story short many people vele they know this thing ophthalmology optometrist is a doctor for eyesight anyway most people we know optometric language we call it myopia someone who is partially sighted like me it's myopia Singisi so we say you are myopic and then there's a percentage from those specialists after any observation after check up everything they will tell you how much percentage did you lose how much remaining so the fact the bottom line is I was born partially sighted meaning that ngiyabona just like njengawe the only difference is distance give me it's not seeing blurry things there's nothing that I see I don't see double things or I just but if nayo myopia vele it varies it has various conditions and various stages
so mfowethu ngiyakuva manje singayitheni akutshile babukele mfowethu ubuyuthele nami ukuthi lesimo watalo unaso kumbe usolese
ngadala ngaso
wajalo naso
ngadala naso unlike other people who get affected along the way maphilwa nje so mina vele and of course you wouldn't be aware yourself ukuthi mina mara you because of your peers your friends the people that you grew up with they will observe ukuthi okay this so when and that thing ekhlungu because kuwe as umntwana it seems as if it's bullying
ehle mabakhuluma ikasi bangani
and it's ekhlungu yashaba
kakhulu Bhuti
but when you come into realization uphila uhamba ubona ukuthi umhlaba unjani uyakhona uyithole acceptance lesson kahle kahle isikolo inkolo vele
babukele emakhaya solo sikhona la kuyo i-podcast lesha sha bafowethu
voices in the dark
voices
in the dark
bafowethu
khona la mphakathi
ePinari bafowethu But omkhulu asiqhubeke man asiqhubeke lapha okay ugcine ukhuluma ngebangani ukuthi kufika la sewuhletshwa khona sengasimnanzi man
yasimnanzi lento and not only abangani kuphela sometimes as time goes then you realize ukuthi is the whole community like the whole society
but
so
kahle kahle sofuna ubhilonge kuphi mabongele abantu bacela awuzange utende
and thanks very much ngiyabonga ukuthi everything that I came across yangifundisa it became a lesson to me because I used to be surprised I used to get surprised uthola ukuthi umuntu omkhulu like an old person uyabona ukuthi this is an old person mara abe bullish to my condition
but ake ngibekele i-example nyana ne ukuthi ngwaphi magama le bekahash kakhulu kulebantu la bekafika la kuwe akulimati la dimbosibele labhlungu kakhulu
okay ngiyakuva bhuti wami ifakala kahle clear as water so for mina angifuni ukuthi ngithi at least mara amagama because I'm someone who I was loved in the community. I was an entertainer. I was doing everything that is entertaining people.
I know because namanje bafowethu put omkhulu sinayeka la ku media bafowethu sinayeka la ku media bafowethu ungale ku radio bafowethu kambe yini kamala le radio
MBSDA online radio
bafowethu presenter nguyifuzo iphese ngale masuku la siyakhona bafowethu nami ngolalela ngive lapho ukuthi ngabe kuhamba kanjani asiqhubeke mfowethu
sasiqhubeka wabona ngimi kuwe wabangcono nyana because for me it's like bebangitreata maybe fairly because they wouldn't throw harsh words to me they couldn't like bebang
mara yena
just what ngama action mara nami ngikona yabona ukuthi umnanzi kanjani ukuthi wena ukhona ukubona and some they were not even aware ukuthi ngikhona ukubona everything that is happening
asibakhubude babukule emakhaya futhi uthi uma uleduzana uyakubona but uma sokutheniyana akasakubona so awutshele mina mfowethu kambe uthi suka ngokuhlala
ngokuhlala vele ngiqhamuka eLimpopo originally eLimpopo Zanini area kulobelu baze babashoba kulobelu I'm also multilingual ngiyaba kulobelu Speli ngiyasivulela sisikhuluma ibintu tembisa bangathi vele straight line yonkinza uphumuloni bangazi bakhona umhawu vele yes
bo sesimabasimanje sesimakhazi vele umbona layo bo nayi Rodman yami encane kakhulu King Monad
so wayibona vele gama lami ukhutsho wakalibiya sibongo sami ilebiya
so ukhutsho like nesizulu lithini igama
okay ukhutsho kahle the way ngive ngakhona ukuphumula
ukuphumula
maybe it would be something like that
so but angitshele mhla ka7 March 2026 lenyanga lesiya kuyo siya ku competition lapho noba nicula khona emakhwaya
yebo
kuthini kuwe mfowethu
Gimme it's a very grateful opportunity to have ever come across to have ever so this thing is very huge it's the greatest thing ever greatest opportunity ever because already exposure
sesiyavela manje
and then nokucula now so recorder ceremony very is functional whereby we have we have access to people who can get us to those multi streams of social media
so basilapho vele
we will be invited kahle in short this thing it's a recognition for me noma vele angithola imali bathi imali nayi mara for me it's a very big is a great deal because even if there's a certificate for you it's a project it's a program so this program even if it's not it's accredited but it doesn't reveal how many credits but the main focus is to expose you to the world we will be invited to Australia you can go anywhere
because njengami mfowethu ngibonga le opportunity ukuthi ngitholakala ngikhona la kule podcast BSDH mfowethu man kuyihlandla man
kuyihlandla
because
very much
ngathi nje ngikhule ngisekunani into abantu abangaboni
Yeah,
but now nginani sivuka ekuseni nginani like kuningi lokendeka singekho into nayi lempilo
and futhi kimi vele ngibonga uNkulunkulu umdali for everything because even vele side yami yazi njani umuntu vele ngiyambona njengawe noma useveni or just mina ngeke ngibe sure ukuthi ubani mara ngizombona makavela vele it's kungcono yazi abanye it's load shedding
kumnyama totally ngibona nginokubona baningi
and tsala ngiphila nabo. I also went to a special school.
Okay.
We call them Elsen schools. Education okay, same syllabus as public schools yes, same thing, just that it's education for learners with special needs. It means you need to provide special needs for them in terms of learning, but they were learning the very same thing, the very same textbook, controlled from the same district, same region, same gazette, same government, everything.
Babukele emakhaya le ngiyo i-podcast le shasha lesinayo khona la eMbombela ePinari namaphethelo bafowethu ligama layo MABSDH bafowethu lokukhulu kakhulu bafowethu sicela i-support kakhulu kumkhandlu dolobha khona la ekhaya eMbombela nakuyo yonke impumalanga nakuyo yonke iSouth Africa nabo bafowethu nabo bomnakethu nabo botsatse wethu khona la kuyo ke i-MABSDH bafowethu asupporting kakhulu bafowethu noma ngaba yini alakhaya yamukeleka noma ngaba imali noma bathi impahla noma bakudla noma ngaba yini siyalithenga litekisi lakhaya kanjani bhuti
vele
siyathenga litekisi ngoba lana sinokufuma so bafowethu asipaseni esivivaneni bafowethu naye inombolo yase-office la ngaphansi kule screen bafowethu sisithine pick up Mpumalanga, pick up Mbombela, pick up Limpopo bafowethu, pick up Limpopo bafowethu le i-podcast leshasha lekhona la South Africa, lekhona la eMpumalanga, lekhona la eMbombela, lekhona la ePinari, MABSDH bafowethu laba ngabone asibasupporteni kakhulu bafowethu ngithi mina adanko.